Hello friends, I am Lennon Legacy and thank you for joining me for this reaction video. Today we're going to check out King Frostmare. Ooh, this video is called the scariest doorbell cam videos ever captured. Without further ado, let's check it out. Now.
Sometimes the most scariest things are not unfolding in haunted houses, but right in front of your own door. Tonight we want to take a look at creepy doorbell recordings from around the world. The man in the following recording was just relaxing on his sofa when all of a sudden the door in the background swung open.
But is this a doorbell cam showing inside the house? Really? Oh, hello.
To this day, he's lacking any form of explanation of what could have caused this.
Oh, that was no string.
One night, the family got disturbed.
Remember to go over to King Frostmare's YouTube channel, leave a like and subscribe. Do it now before we continue. Let's continue. Now that you have liked and subscribed.
By a stranger on their porch.
Shit, look at his face. What the F is going on? He's on drugs, I guess, yeah? I guess so. What the F, man?
He seemingly tried
Hey,
to force his way into the
what's
house.
wrong with you?
Unfortunately, it is unknown if the police got a hold of him. But what's even
Oh.
more are his wide eyes that don't appear fully human.
Imagine if he got inside the house. What would happen to the family inside? Holy crap, man.
Strange.
Get that job, man.
In this video, we see a young woman who was just stepping outside into her backyard to take her laundry in. However, unbeknownst to her, something creepy was lurking at her at the time.
Really? Do you see it? I don't see a lurker. Oh! What an enormous head, yeah?
The family asked their neighbors if
Is that an alien? Or is it Casper? The friendly ghost? It's like a huge eye and a very round mouth, yeah? The huge ass head.
they had any idea as of what this could have been. But unfortunately, they were just as clueless as the family
What
themselves.
the F is that, man?
Was it something otherworldly?
Holy frying pan, man.
The uploader of this video tells us that he got an alert on his phone stating that his doorbell camera had noticed a person standing in front of his door, and it was after midnight already. He then saw the following on his camera.
Very, very blurry figure. What? That was no camera glitch? Just appears and disappears?
In his opinion, this was not a trick of the light or a bug of any sorts, since he had never seen anything like it, and believes that maybe a ghost was visiting him that
What's
night.
going on? You guys have an explanation for that? I would love to hear your thoughts. Comment down below. What the F is that, man? What does he want? I don't know.
A Twitter user shared this
Let's find out.
concerning incident. They noticed their doorbell camera consistently catching glimpses of a shady character loitering outside their apartment, night after night for a full month. Despite them reaching out to the authorities, the police didn't do much to keep this man at bay.
It's just standing there. What? Why is he just standing there? That is a shady character. What the F is he up to, man?
In one clip, he can be heard talking, but his words remain unclear. While his intentions were a mystery, his creepy behavior hinted at something far from good.
Yeah.
Viewers stressed the importance of staying vigilant, warning that
Is he waiting for someone to come out? To mock or something? I
he
don't
might be
know.
making a return. Not much is known if these events
Get
are still
that job,
going on,
man.
but one would hope not.
How does he... The eye. How does he have time to just hang out?
This video was
hang out
captured by a Reddit
there?
user's doorbell camera.
I don't know.
According to the uploader, he was awakened by his dog, causing a commotion outside. Shortly after, a notification from the Ring app informed him of detected motion at his door. And upon opening the app, he was confronted with this.
What the F, man?
The man proceeds to knock, ring the doorbell, and tries to enter. And the situation escalates when the homeowner threatens to call the police.
Oi! Get out of here!
Okay, I was looking for my dog, Fido.
Just looking for my dog?
What a strange incident.
What the F, man? Clowning around.
The next video was uploaded to Reddit by a concerned father. He tells us that he woke up one night to an alert of his security camera outside, and then he witnessed this creepy incident.
Oh. You think this is during that period for... What is it now? Is it 5 years ago or something? Where clowns were everywhere. Doing strange stuff. You remember that period? Well, hello. There's no child's birthday here tonight.
Somebody
Boy, the insane asylum is that way, dude.
dressed up as a clown seemed to stare at the camera at first, and then walking up to the house to further startle the homeowners. Of course, they never found out who did it, but they still remember this incident clear as day.
Who wouldn't? Who the F are you, man? What do you want?
But just a few nights later, this clown showed up to the same house. However, they switched towards the back door this time.
What? With a big ass machete as well? What the F, man? Get a job.
Was it just a crazy person?
Yeah. Of course it is a crazy person. Creepy lady.
This video was taken around 3 a.m. by a homeowner. The man states that he was asleep at the time and only discovered it when he woke up to a notification on his phone. After reviewing the footage,
What
he was
happened to her
shocked to
nose?
witness the following.
What happened to her nose, dude? I think she's drugged out of her. Is that a small gun? What? I thought it was a door key, you know? I think it is a door. She's trying to open the door? Yeah. She's just drugged out, yeah? I guess. It's the wrong house, lady. That's what crack will do to you, kids. Don't do drugs.
A woman is seen attempting various keys to enter the house and even searching for a hidden one. The homeowner, who had never seen her before, reported that she later threw rocks at his car and attempted to tamper with the locks. It's likely she was influenced by something, as she repeatedly tried to insert keys into the doorbell camera.
And a small
After a few
gun.
minutes, she walked away and was never spotted on the property again. Yikes.
A creepy ass lady. A creepy incident.
This video was shared by a man who noticed a creepy intruder in the dead of night. His camera captured a man ringing the doorbell of his home. Immediately after, he positions himself behind a parked car, crouching down with an item in hand. Displaying signs of unease, he breathes heavily and wipes sweat from his brow.
Is he naked? Where's your clothes, dude? Did the video freeze? No, he's still there. Did he just take a dump? What happened to the sound there?
Glancing anxiously between the street and the front door. Another minute elapses and the owner yells down from his window that the police are en route.
What the F was he up to, man? I guess again, that's what drugs do to you, yeah?
Most people believe that this confused person was trying to rob the place. Maybe attempting to lure the homeowner out at first, and then who knows what could have happened.
Yeah. That's creepy, man. When I came home.
The following video shows a homeowner who came home late one night. He states that he thought to have seen something run right in front of his eyes to the other side of the bushes, but brushed it off as it being just imagination. But he rewatched the footage the day after.
What? What the F was that, man? Did you see it? Is
What
it a
could
bird?
this have been in your opinion?
Could it be a bat? Maybe? Bat or a bird? Our evil neighbor.
The next videos were captured by a Ring doorbell camera. It's about a mentally disturbed man with the name Stephen Groves, who has been terrorizing his neighbors for over 2 years. Stephen Passat, the owner of the doorbell camera, is disabled and trying to live a peaceful life with his family and caretakers. His crazy neighbor has been seen several times, appearing in front of Stephen's home and seemingly trying to damage his camera.
What the F, man? what karma will do to you.
But their neighbor from hell seems to be losing his mind more and more, night after night, now choosing to actively attack the camera.
What's he up to, man?
Leaving Steven's family terrified and watching this unfold on their phone screens.
How can he not be successful in smashing that camera? What the F?
It is unknown what drove Groves to these actions. He has been put on a curfew and has been convicted of 3 charges of harassment, and he also had to pay for the damages done to Stephen Pessard's property.
Look at his
However,
eyes.
none of these disciplinary actions seem to keep Groves away from his neighbor's stores.
He's not even blinking. He's not even blinking once. Have a look.
Actions. He has been put on a curfew and has been convicted of 3 charges of harassment, and he also had to pay for the damages done to Stephen Pessard's property. However, none
not
of these
blinking.
disciplinary actions seem to keep Groves away from his neighbor's stores. So we can only
What
hope
the
that
F,
nothing
man?
even worse will happen.
He's not even blinked once throughout this video. In our backyard.
Andrew has uploaded the following video to Reddit, stating that something weird was captured on the Ring camera.
Hello? Picking off flowers? Is it a ghost or is it a human? You know? Could be a human, right? Why does it have to be a ghost?
At first, they thought that this was maybe a kid, but since it
Yeah.
was in the midst of night and the backyard is inaccessible, this idea was thrown out the window. To this day, they don't know what it was.
I think it's a human, you know? But I don't know. What do I know? Creepy knife man.
The following recording stems from the security cameras of a property owner who noticed one weekend that the gate to his property was left open. This
Not
made
another
him
one
check
of
the
those
security
clowns.
footage, only to find something that left him quite unsettled. A man in a clown costume seemed to have tried to make it into his house.
Hey, the circus is that way, dude. And the insane asylum's that way.
The clown tries every door of the property, which is a pretty big one.
What the F is wrong with people, man?
So people suspect
going on?
that his intentions could only have been sinister.
Yeah, no shit. A knife in his hand. Imagine if you forgot to close the door, you know, or to lock the door. What would he do if he came inside? You know? That's creepy, man. Hey, what's wrong with you? Get out of here.
After all of his attempts have proven to be futile, the clown finally decides to leave the property alone.
Luckily, yeah. Nightcrawler?
A man from Fresno has shared the following footage. Apparently, his wife's camera sent out a motion alert to his phone, and something was moving outside in the backyard. At the same time, this thing was captured.
I don't see anything. Oh, over here.
He speculates that it might have been the Fresno Nightcrawler that is said to roam this particular area. Could this be?
I don't know. The potato quality video. Could be anything. Porch pirate. Arr.
This video was shared by another homeowner who states that his doorbell captured this one night. We see a scary looking dude
Having
that
a
is walking up the
sword
front
and a
door
hammer
with a bunch
and-
of items equipped, and it appears that he wants to steal whatever is placed on the front porch.
Is that a sword? What the F is wrong with you? Porch pirate, indeed.
After a while, the man just leaves. With him, a few items he seems to have grabbed. And with a weird, creepy looking sword. What would you have done?
I'd have called the police. I guess. Weird person.
This video was recorded by a user who states that one Friday night he saw something rather unusual appear in his doorbell camera. He was having a friend over and they both spent the last couple of hours playing video games. At some point, the young man received a motion alert from his camera, so he opened it on his computer and was quite freaked out, to say the least. Let's see.
Yo, what is that?
Yeah, what is that? What the F is
You
that?
see that,
man?
Mom? Yeah, I see it.
Does have arms, you know, legs, and a head, and some weird ass hat. Is it a hat man?
What the?
A creeper was standing in
What?
front of their house. It is unknown what that person wanted and how they got there. The two men were pretty
Jesus,
uneasy,
that got me
and
the
the
chills.
figure had disappeared
When
seconds
they're
after this recording.
multiplying.
Was it somebody playing a prank on them?
I don't know.
Or was there something else going on?
Does he also has a sword in his hand? Or a machete? Group of ghosts?
Another user who uploaded his video to the paranormal Reddit section. He states that his Ring camera also sent him a motion alert. And apparently something was seen walking in front of his driveway, which was impossible.
It's right before 12 o'clock at night. What in the name of spatula is that?
Some say they can see ghost people walking there.
What?
Do you think that's legit?
I don't know. You tell me down below in the comment section. What do you think that is? In my room. Boom, boom, boom,
Clip is
boom.
part of
I
another
want you in
video
my
that
room.
the uploader could unfortunately not retrieve.
Sorry.
He states that he saw a small shape enter through the entrance door, which sent an alert to his phone, and then it was seen running through his bedroom.
What?
He thought at first it was a child. However, it was of course impossible for anybody to enter the house without opening a door,
What?
which is why he believes that something paranormal was captured here.
What the F was that? A midget ghost? Child ghost? I don't know. Another creeper.
This was shared by a family who states that they saw a horrible figure stumbling through their driveway, and after checking, they couldn't find anybody there.
What the F is that? Oh, we have seen this one before, yeah. But what is it? Or who is it? That's not a normal shape of head, yeah? This long ass legs. Could it be a skinwalker? Maybe.
You see his face clearly. Right there.
So, do you think this was just a confused person? Maybe
Could
somebody
be.
homeless? Or was it indeed something more inexplicable?
Yeah, because it doesn't look as the shape of the head. Not natural movements, that's for goddamn sure. That was all from King Frostmere. Go over to his YouTube, leave a like and subscribe. This is how you spell it if you don't know. Thank you for joining me for this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.